Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. So the weather is kind of bad outside, so I decided to do my walk indoors. And I was like trying to see, well, do I need music? Do I have to have music? I was like, well, when I do my regular walk with you guys, I don't have music. So I decided to bring the walk indoors. I hope you can see me. Let's see, can I make it any closer? Okay. This is the first one, so we're just gonna see how it works. I'm just gonna walk in place, and I'm gonna encourage you to do the same. Walk in place at home. You don't have to have fancy equipment. Just get started. I bought a couple little workout things 2 years ago. Never actually did it. Well, like my videos for you guys. I remember I wanted to do videos, and I never actually did them. I'm gonna show you my weights in a minute. But I was like, I'm just gonna come and walk with y'all. And maybe it will motivate you to walk. So I did put my watch on because I want to see how many steps. And we're going to walk till it turns 10 minutes. We're going to just walk and talk. So I hope you are having an amazing day. Again, we are just walking and talking. I said I was going to start doing these videos. I usually try to do counts of 8. Most people know exercises like that, so we're going to try to do it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, and I'm just going to walk in place a little bit. So anyway, I wanted to do these sets of videos like this because I realized that a lot of people are not moving. We just don't move. And we think I got to go to the gym. I got to, go to the park. I got to leave the house. No, the point is to just get started. Just get started. So I'm hoping this will motivate you wherever you are in your journey to get started. So I'm just walking in place, talking to you, and I want to make sure it's registering on my arm here, my watch, and it is. So we just going to talk for 10 minutes. So if you got somebody in the house that can do this with you, fine. But if not, I find that sometimes I do my best thinking when I'm by myself, So I'm just going to walk in place. So we've been walking. We're going to change our move just a little bit. I'm just going to kick. I did put my gym shoes on. Let me show you. I put my gym shoes on to help with my balance. So we're going to kick a little bit. Just going to move just a little bit. Oh, it hurts so bad, guys. Oh, it hurts so bad. My hip hurt right here. I've been telling y'all about that, but I'm pushing through today. I'm going to do 10 minutes. Oh, so it hurts. So you can put your music on if you want to, or just start stepping and watch me. Okay? Just watch me. This is hurting like I don't know what. Okay? My sister said it's bursitis. She told me not to baby it. That's why I decided I'm going to go ahead and walk. It's freezing outdoors. So don't let that be a hindrance. I would put music on, but until I get the right music that YouTube won't copyright it, I'm just going to come and walk and talk. So while I'm walking and talking, so far, let me tell you how many steps I got. Oh, I can't even see it. Hold on. 718, 720. So every step counts. I have a friend of mine, shout out Lynette. She walks literally 5 miles per day. Now, the person that really doing it ain't the one that really need to do it, right? Shout out my girl. But anyway, she walks 5 miles a day. Sometimes she can't get to the park. Most of the time, she's not doing hers from the park. Most of the time, she's doing her steps right in the house like this. She put her watch on, and she just starts stepping. So we've been walking a little bit more. So let's change a little bit. How about we get our arms involved? See this? Just change. And you can see my breathing is changing. So I'm just going to do like 10 of these. I'm going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 20. We're going to walk a couple. We're going to do 10 more. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, I'm about to hit this. Hit the ceiling fan. Let me tell y'all, one time I was working out in my room upstairs. I got an elliptical. I'm feeling myself and I'm going. And guess what I did? You know what I did? What did I do? Put my hands up like this. The ceiling fan was going and my wrist got in there. Yes, it did. I was like, oh my God. I was screaming and Jeffrey was like, what's wrong? I said, the ceiling fan hit my wrist. Well, it wasn't metal, so it didn't cut it off. But I was scared to death. I was like, oh my God, I done lost my wrist. So look around in your surroundings. You don't need that much space. So I do walk away the pounds throughout the years. So somebody might say, well, she's trying to do walk away the pounds. Shout out Leslie Sansong. Yes, I do walk away the pounds. So it helped me too. I did that. Ooh, it's been a long time ago. She's been around a long time. But she ain't create walking. But shout out Leslie. So somebody might say, you just trying to do that. So flattery, what they say, imitation is the best flattery or something like that. So her stuff is easy. So I'm hoping to motivate you. So now I'm just walking forward and backward. Every step counts. I am at 1,058. 1,058. So how many? I told you last time was 700. That's 300 steps. Just get moving, guys. New year, new you. Let's go. I'm going to be doing this because, like I said, I think it's going to motivate me. I know it does. When I do these videos, and I'm always like, well, I got to have this. I got to do that. No, just do it. This is a clear indication. I'm not waiting no more. I'm not waiting on everything to be perfect. I'm not waiting on having a studio where I can film videos. I got a room. I'm not waiting till all this is gone before I start showing you my body. This is it. Right? This is it. You too. You ain't got to wait. You ain't got to wait. Don't wait for nothing. Life will pass you by. And it'll be next year. And you still saying, well, I got to wait for this. Before I started filming these kind of videos, I'm going to walk back a little bit. And walk up. And walk back. Before I started filming this video today, I've been talking about doing a workout video for 2 years. But why didn't I do it? I said, well, I got to have the right lighting. I got to have the studio. I got to have this. I bought a beautiful pink set of weights. I'm going to show y'all that in a minute. I bought weights. I bought the mat. And I was like, I got to have music. I don't got to have music. I was like, when I talk to y'all from the park, I don't have music. Now I'm waiting on this to register to 10 minutes. Oh, I think we made it, y'all. I think we did. Hold on. My watch must have had an update. So we made it. Look. We made it. 10 minutes and 32 seconds. So that's 10 minutes more than I would have did. That's 10 minutes more than you were going to do. So let's do it. Okay? I'm going to show you my weight set. I'm going to take one more minute and do some weights on my arms. Because I've been talking about that. So I'm going to do like maybe 10 sets with my arms, different positions. And then I'm going to show you my weight set. And then get out of here. And we're going to do the same thing. I'll just start doing my walking with y'all. And hopefully motivating you as I go along. So you ready? Let's see. Let's go out first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going slow. 6, 7. I can feel that. 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is 2 pounds. 2. That may not sound like a lot, but it's 2. And they cute. Okay, and I felt that. Now let's go up 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? All right, we're going to do 2 more positions. All right, we're going to keep walking. You see, I ain't stopped walking. Let's do the back. Now, this is the one I hate the most. Ready? Let's go. If you don't have weights, you can use bottles. Y'all done seen all the videos. Use whatever you want. You ain't even got to use nothing. Just use your arms. That's got weight. Okay, ready? Let's go 10 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're going to do 10 more. So that's 30 different arm positions we did. And I am not a doctor. I don't profess to be one. I'm just a girl trying to get my life together. Healthy Life with Kimmi, not Healthy Life with Dr. Kimmi. All right, guys, let's do the 10 on this back arm. Ugh. Let's go. 1, oh, this hurts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That did not feel good. So I'm going to put these down. We're going to stretch a little bit because you should always stretch after workout. So we're going to stop. And I'm going to tell you my total number of steps. And you guys know I've been talking about this on every video. You can see it in all its glory. People say it's menopausal. I know it is, but that don't mean I got to like it. Shout out to my friend Tree. Yeah, that don't mean I got to like it, and I don't. So I'm going to try to get rid of it. So I'm about to stretch. I usually like to just do like this. Pull this arm a little bit. Just hold it for a second. Then I like to pull this arm just for a second. I mean, we ain't running a marathon. Then bring them down a little bit. Move a little bit. Just shake it out. Because if I don't do something, guys, I wake up stiff. And that's funny because you would think working out, you know, it would be better. Now I'm going to bend over. We're going to bend and stretch it out a little bit. Stretch. Stretch. Pull that back a little bit. And then I like to just come up like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to pull this leg a little bit back like this. This hip is hurting. Okay. Same thing on that one. The hip is hurting. So I'm just doing the best I can. But I do like to pull like this. Okay. Just try to stretch it out the best I can. And that's it. We did it. We did it. Now let me show you my weights right quick. And my little workout gear that I did buy when I was going to try to do everything all fancy. But again, I'm not waiting no more. What am I waiting on? Stop waiting. You too, quit waiting. So look, I bought all that little stuff over here. Look at that. I got my weight set. I bought these little stepper things to step on. So I had bought all kind of stuff because I wanted to do like really cute videos for y'all. But I ain't waiting no more. What am I waiting for? I'll show you my yoga mat I bought. Closet. I might start pulling that out. See my yoga mat? So I'm going to start pulling that out. I bought everything pink because it inspires me. So do that too for yourself. Buy some stuff that's going to inspire you to work out and to get it, you know. And again, today we did like 12 minutes, which is great. It's 12 more than I was going to do. So in addition to this today, I'm going to go do my elliptical. I always do that elliptical. That's what keeps this tight. I always do my elliptical. So let me see if I can tell you my total steps. Okay, really quick. We did 12 minutes and our total steps were 1,559. 1,559. Okay. 1,559. And that was 16 minutes according to this. It's saying I burned 116 calories, but I'll never go by that. I don't go by that. I just go by I did something. I got $1,600 in the bank. My healthy bank, okay? So if I started out with 0 and now I got 1,600, that's pretty good, right? If somebody gave you $1,600 and you ain't had nothing, it'll be good. So that's the same thing way we gonna think about it with our weight. I got 1,600 steps in my healthy weight loss bank. Okay. All right, guys. Well, on behalf of Healthy Life with Kimmi, as always, I just want to share something with you. I wish you much success in your journey too. Okay. Bye. See you soon.